If you're considering buying from First Formations, there are a few things you definitely need to know before diving in, especially when comparing it to competitors. This is an in-depth look at what makes First Formations stand out and what you should consider before making your decision. The first thing you should know is that First Formations is all about making company formation quick and easy, but not just quick. It's designed to be efficient and tailored to your business's needs. Compared to other services like Companies House or LegalZoom, First Formations offers a smoother, more intuitive process that doesn't get bogged down by excessive paperwork. If you've tried other services, you know how confusing the process can get. Here, you get an online platform that's user-friendly, letting you handle everything from business registration to securing a virtual office address, all with minimal hassle. Next thing to consider is pricing. When you compare First Formations to competitors, you'll see that their packages are highly competitive. They offer a range of options, from basic formations to more advanced services like VATI registration and business bank accounts. Their starter packages are priced very reasonably, which is great if you're just starting out. But what sets them apart is the clarity in their pricing structure. Unlike other providers, there are no hidden fees. Everything is laid out up front so you know exactly what you're paying for. The third thing is the speed. You want to form your company quickly, right? First Formations delivers. In many cases, they offer same-day service, depending on the package you choose. This is a significant advantage compared to others that may take a week or even longer to process your registration. This speed, along with the fact that their system is straightforward, helps you get up and running faster without the typical waiting game you might be familiar with when dealing with other formation services. Now let's talk about customer support, which is often a deciding factor when choosing a service like this. First Formations offers stellar customer support. Whether you need help understanding the registration process or have more complex queries about ongoing services, their team is available through live chat, email, or phone. When compared to some of the bigger, less personalized platforms, this can really make a difference. Their team doesn't just push you through the process, but provides guidance at every step. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the extra services. Once your company is set up, First Formations offers a wide range of add-ons that competitors might charge you extra for or make difficult to access. Things like a business bank account setup or registered office services are available, and they offer a simple, transparent way to add these services at any stage of your business journey. This is useful if you need a lot more than just the basics for your company setup. Next, let's talk about reputation. First Formations has built a strong reputation within the industry. Reviews from users consistently highlight the ease of use, affordability, and excellent customer service. This reputation is a key point to consider because when you're starting a business, you want a formation service that's dependable and trusted. With First Formations, you can rest assured that you're working with an established provider who has a track record of helping businesses just like yours. Lastly, let's discuss their flexibility and range of services for different types of businesses. Whether you're setting up a sole trader, limited company, or partnership, First Formations offers tailored services to match your needs. While other platforms might be limited in their offerings or charge extra for more specialized services, First Formations ensures that you can choose a package that's right for you without overspending on unnecessary features. This flexibility makes them a go-to for anyone who's serious about their business formation. So, now that you have a clearer picture of what First Formations offers and how it compares to others in the market, if you want to try out First Formations, click the first link in the description below. This link gives you access to an exclusive free trial, along with the best offer available for the service. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this if you're looking to start your business the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link for the best deal and to get started with First Formations today.